Welcome to Black Sheep.
Hello everybody, my name is Agnes and today we are here to fix the neckline. Let's start. So, first of all, you want to put your stitches on the lifeline. So those stitches which you are gonna pick up, you put first of all with darning needle and the contrast color yarn. Then we have already done it here, so you can see you pick up one by one on whatever needle you worked. And then what we are gonna do, what we will be doing, we will unravel the green yarn, and then we'll add this gray yarn, which is the main color of the sweater, and we'll start with a smaller needle because we want smaller neckline. So let's do it. Let's cut the green off, and by that what we're gonna do is we need to find the first row of the green. So it's here, and we cut just one stitch like that, and with separate needle we're just gonna unravel here. Maybe I'll turn around this way, just gonna be much easier. Here you see, stitch by stitch, and it's a slow process, but you do one by one until all of your stitches are on that needle. Okay, so we pulled out a lifeline. First we transferred all the stitches to the needle. We pulled out lifeline, and now with a smaller needle we're gonna knit our first row. So just plain knitting, just to get in the round. And since the stitches are picked up backwards,
twisted.
Yeah,
Twisted.
so I'm gonna knit in the back.
Which, for those people who don't know, knitting through the back loop, if your stitches are mounted wrong or backwards or twisted, is all you have to do. You don't have to remove them from your needle.
This is correct way how they are supposed to stay.
Because
so your right leg is in front. So this is right leg, and this one is left leg, I guess. Now this was just, left leg. So I'm knitting through the back here as well. So we're gonna go around with a smaller needle. Okay. So we'll finish with just knitting around, and then on the next round we will do ribbing. We are done with knitting one round. I'm placing now beginning of the round marker, and now we will start ribbing. So this first stitch is a little bit loose. I'm just gonna pull back.
In one by one.
Yep. One by one ribbing, yeah. So knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. This is the classic purl one. I usually knit grandma's way, which is this way, but then you can see, oh, your stitches backwards. So for Robin,
I was going to say, because I'm going to have to pick this up.
I know, I'm going to do the classic way, which is this way. You go as you would purl, your yarn is in front, and then you go like this. There you go. This is a classic way. Yeah, and then you can finish with whatever bind off you like, whether it's just a regular bind off or tubular bind off for the stretchy, or it's up to you. It doesn't matter. I know people love tubular bind off, but it might be tricky, so you're good with a regular one. If you want you can start knitting sweater with provisional cast on, where you don't start with ribbing, but you start with provisional cast on, which leaves you with live stitches on, and then you can do whatever you like on your neckline, whether you need smaller or bigger. You can't probably, but you can do any ribbing. I think that's it for today. I hope it helps.
Thanks, Agnes.
Bye. Ciao.